My name is Jonathan Meadows. I'm an architect with Meadows Architecture. I work with Bold Construction on renovation and addition projects. Meadows Architecture has been around since 2019. That's when I moved to Durham and started my practice here. But I have over 20 years of experience working for firms previously. When I started the practice, working with homeowners doing particularly renovation projects was a real passion of mine. In a design build setup, a client will approach Bold, Bold will hire me. So it works really well in that the entirety of the process from start to finish is being coordinated by the same team at Bold. So there's no awkward handoff where an architect will do a bunch of drawings, give it to a contractor, and that contractor's coming in cold and trying to put a budget to it, trying to understand what the client's needs are, and the design drawings, no matter how detailed I can make them, they're never going to communicate the whole intent of what the client wants at the end of the day. And so this design build setup works really well at keeping the client's needs and wants and budget at the forefront of the process. So we're really designing as a collaborative team. It is pretty unique that Bold is hiring an outside architect as opposed to having in-house draftsmen, which is what most design build firms do. They don't want to bear the expense of hiring a professional licensed architect to do the design work. They'll just hire someone that knows how to draw and drafting software and do the minimum that they need to do to get permits. Where I come in is developing robust 3D models, being able to give clients walkthroughs of the house during the design process, and generating really high-end, high-quality professional renderings so that they get this really in-depth vision of what the end product is going to be well before construction ever begins. And then by the Bold team being present through all those meetings, they're acutely aware of exactly what the intent is behind those drawings. One of the things that Bold does really well is breaking down the design process into several steps so that we're going from big picture ideas all the way through to selecting individual light fixtures. And we're doing all of that work before construction ever begins. That means that clients that have had very little or no experience doing construction themselves in the past feel very guided through the process. It's broken down into manageable steps that really allows them to make it feel like it's their own process and their own house at the end of the day.